Okay, now next is possessive pronoun. So what do you mean by possessive pronoun? Let's discuss about it. Okay, so possessive pronouns show the ownership or possession of a noun. So possessive pronouns always show the ownership. Who is the owner? Yes, and who the thing which is belong to someone, isn't it? So and then the thing which is the possession of anyone. So that's why the possession and the ownership it shows. Okay, and they are mine, our, your, his, her. It's there. Mind it. The note is here. In this case, there is no use of apostrophe. Okay, no use of apostrophe. Just like I-T-S. This is not a possessive form. Okay, this is called what? It is. So that's why it is wrong. So this is possessive. So you can see the example here. Is that my book? In this sentence, we can see a possessive pronoun my. The word my is showing the possession of someone. Okay, or nouns. So this is what? Possessive pronoun. Similarly, no, it is his book. No, it is his book. Now here is his. His the word and it is showing the ownership or possession of someone. Okay, of book or any nouns. So this word is what? Possessive pronoun. Next example here. I would like to see your bookshelf. I would like to see your bookshelf. Here, your word is your. So this is possessive pronoun because it is showing the possession, it is showing the ownership of nouns. So this is possessive pronoun. Similarly, she is asking for her notebook. So whose notebook? Her notebook. So here is her. The word is used as possessive pronoun or possessive case. So one thing I want to going to say here is that possessive pronoun always used as a possessive case and it is the answer of which question. So these words are called possessive pronoun. Now coming to the next. Okay, now next pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? Let's see. The pronouns that take a place of a noun that has already been mentioned, that can be both singular or plural. So they are, so you can say here, the pronouns that take a place of noun that has already been mentioned, so they can be both singular and plural. So you can see here, these, that, these, those, they are demonstrative pronoun. They demonstrate, they show something, isn't it? That has already been mentioned. So these are used in place of what? Nouns. So serious. This is used in singular, the thing which are near. Singular noun and they are near. Okay? This is used to show the thing. Singular, near, which are near. That is also singular but is far. The thing which are far and it shows to demonstrate to show the far thing. Singular, far. These also demonstrate pronoun and it function as plural, near, which are near but many. Okay? Those, plural, far. Plural and these are far. The things which are far and these denoted what? Plural. For example, you can see here, this is my pen. This is my pen. So here is this is demonstrative pronoun because it is functioning as the demonstrative pronoun and it shows the impulse of noun. This is here representing what? Pen. So that's why it is noun. So this is demonstrative. Don't touch. Here is don't touch that. That means something else is there. Okay? In place of noun and is this that is demonstrating of place of noun and this is what? Demonstrative pronoun. Similarly, these are pens. Okay? These are pens. So this word, this is functioning as demonstrative pronoun. So that's why this connect to the pens, because these are the nouns, plural nouns, and this is working or functioning as a place of nouns. Similarly, those are books on the table. Those functions as pronoun, and this is functioning. Here is the demonstrative pronoun, and shows the plural. Here is the books. Now in place of noun. So we discuss about this demonstrative pronoun. So now I am going to the next. Okay, now see here relative pronoun. So what do you mean by relative pronoun? What is relative pronoun? The words which are used to connect a clause or a phrase to a noun or pronoun is called relative pronoun. Not only that, it also shows that this is used to add more information. Okay, this gives a more information about the thing. Okay, noun or pronoun. So this connect a clause or phrase. It joins two clause, means two more sentences or phrases. So they are what? Relative pronouns. So this is used to make the connective. Okay. So they are who, whom, which, whoever, whomever, whichever, and that. So these words are relative clause, and they used as relative clause in the sentence. Now let's see example. The driver who ran the stop sign was careless. The driver who ran the stop sign was careless. Here is the relative word is who. Means this word joins or connect to clause. Okay, so this is relative clause. This who is relative clause. So this join here and both. See. Okay. Now next, I don't know which pair of shoes you want. Here the word which. This is relative pronoun because it relates both phrase. See, both clause. It relates to both. See, and this is what? Relative pronoun. Similarly, take whichever ones you want. Here is whichever. This word is functioning as relative pronoun because this joins two sentences or two phrases. Okay, so this whichever is the relative pronoun. Now next, not that one. No, not that one. That is relative pronoun because this relates to both. Okay, so that's why that is also relative pronoun. So like this we talk about relative pronoun. All these words are relative pronouns, and this joined two sentences are to relate the noun or pronoun. So now coming to the next, that is reflexive pronoun. So I'm going to describe in detail about reflexive pronoun. Okay, what is reflexive pronoun, please? Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. Please try to understand here. So they are used when the subject in the sentence or object in the sentence, okay, they function in the sentence and they directly refer to the same person or same thing. That is reflexive pronoun. So generally these reflexive pronouns in self form. Okay, at the end, self or selves. So these pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, ourself, itself, ourself, yourself, and themselves. So these are self form. Okay, they are called also intensive pronoun. Okay, so these pronouns are used generally to refer to the same subject or object in the sentence. So they are not essential to the sentence meaning as well. So let's see the example here. told myself. See here, I told myself not to spend all my money on new shoes. So here is this myself refer to the subject. It means I is the subject in the sentence. That's why the reflexive pronoun of I is myself. Similarly, we give ourselves plenty of extra time. So here ourself is the self form or reflexive pronoun, and this is referring to this subject. This is what? Reflexive pronoun ourself. Likewise, they bought themselves a new car. Here is themselves is a reflexive pronoun. Why? Because themselves refer to the they, because the they is the subject as acting in the sentence. So that's why the reflexive pronoun of the they is themselves. Similarly, look at here. Clean your room yourself. Here is your room. Okay, clean your room yourself. So means here is subject is omitting. So that's why it is your. Clean your room yourself. This is also self form. Okay, so that's why this your room is functioning as object. That's why yourself is reflexive pronoun. Now I am going to the next. Okay, now I am going to describe about indefinite pronouns. So this is the last kinds of the pronouns. So what is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite means that is not a fixed, not a particular, not a special. That is indefinite, non-definite. Okay, so that's why the pronoun that does not point to a particular nouns. Okay, we use them when an object does not need to be specifically identified. Okay, specifically identified. So here it does not point to any particular nouns. It means it is not a fixed noun. Okay, so and they use, okay, when they use an object does not to be specifically identified. So it means this is not identified. Such as this answer, it can remain indefinite. It is indefinite. So there are few, everyone, all, some, nobody, anything, etc. So these words are pronouns. That is indefinite pronouns. Means how much? Few. It means no any fixed. Everyone. Okay, it means anyone can be. That is everyone. Means that is pronoun. And all, some, etc. So these words are functioning as indefinite pronoun in the sentence. You can see the example here. Okay, everyone is here already. Means here is, you can see everyone. Everyone is acting as indefinite pronoun. Everyone is whoever. Everyone can be here. So that's why everyone is here already. Means as they already came here. Now, I don't have any paper napkin. I don't have any paper napkin. Can you bring some? Yes, some. Some is indefinite pronoun. This is indefinite pronoun. So some is how much? Not fixed, not particular. How much quantity is asking to bring? Nothing. So that's why can you bring some? Okay. So not fixed, not particular. That's why this some is indefinite pronoun. Similarly, here is nobody. Here is nobody. It means no one is here. Nobody is here. Okay, not fixed, not a particular person here. So that's why this is not specifically, okay, not specified. So that's why this is indefinite. Okay, the word is indefinite pronoun. Next example is the last. Most wealth is held by a selected few. Okay, so here is most wealth is held by a selected few. Here is few is functioning as indefinite pronoun. So these words which are, okay, around which are circled, these words are functioning in the sentence as indefinite pronoun. So when students, that you have understood well all about these pronouns, kinds of pronouns. Okay, and we'll discuss more about this. So in the next video, please keep on watching our videos. Please do subscribe our video. Thank you very much.